We are back, ladies and gentlemen, with another video. We're going to be replacing some filters today, 16 by 25s on that brand new carrier right there. It was actually installed last year. We didn't install it, somebody else did, but we're just here to do the maintenance. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this door open and replace these filters. There's actually somebody working over there from a different company on the other side, which at the place I used to work at, we did a lot of work over there. It's a Planet Fitness and then like a grocery store. And I used to do a lot of work. All those Linux units on the other side, we did a lot of stuff over there. Had a lot of issues. But we're gonna, as you can see from 924, we haven't been here. So we're gonna go ahead and mark these up. L 3 25 JLL. So pop these up, take a picture of the coil. I mean, like I said, brand new unit. There's nothing in that coil. It's brand new. There we go. Pop that up. Place that. Put that in the pocket. Okay. Take a picture of the old ones. Put this door back on it. There we go. There we go. Screw it back in. Even though I don't really use these, but as you can see, it's just spinning around. All right. So, got that done. We're gonna pull out our phone and see what we need to take pictures on. Procedures. Okay, filters, picture of equipment, date, plate, burn compartment, okay. So, let's see, model and serial number right there. As you can see, this company installed it. I don't know who they are, but they are there. Now we're gonna pop this door off. Right here. There. Carrier needs to make doors that you can open and close with like a handle. What? Ooh! She is a dirty condenser coil. Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah, she's dirty. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go grab my brush and try to clean this stuff off. All right, so we've got most of the dirt off. It's not seasoned to clean the coils yet, but I got off with my brush with what I could, and you can see right through it. It's just the top layer of it that was a little crusty. But on the opposite side, everything seems to be just fine. But check downstairs with the store manager here of this location where they fix computers, phones, and stuff, and they said that they haven't had any issues with it. Heat's been working, cooling has been working these past couple days, so it should be fine. So this is one of those new, if you guys haven't seen them yet, it's the new carriers with the, what is it, the blue motor or something like that? It's that plastic motor. I'll show you guys here in a second, but that's your control board. And then behind here is your ignition control board. Let's see, capacitor, transformer, contactor, that all looks to be good. Like I said, brand new unit. We know it's working. There's no flash codes. Pop this back on, and then I'll show you guys the motor that Carrier is using on their new rooftops. It's right here. Alright, so that's your new motor right there that Carrier is using. I think it's some sort of, I think they call it like a blue motor because of the blue French fan shroud, but it's pretty much a plastic blade that goes all the way around. I've had so far 2 issues out of these where the actual one, the motor was bad after 2, I think like a year of use, and that board, that blue board of theirs, the new ones with the Bluetooth on it, the fan adjustment part of this motor was bad on it. But basically it was bad after probably 1 year of it being installed. Again, everything was carried under warranty, so I've had a couple issues with those units with that new motor on there. Also, I'll show you, this one has a plastic condenser fan motor. I've seen 2 of those actually just completely come off of the motor. But as you can see, fuse is lit whenever it's bad, a little signal, so that's good. Here, I'll show you them. Is it? Yep. As you see, the plastic fan shroud, those have completely come off at sometimes. I've had those happen where they come off and blow apart, but so far everything's good on this unit. Condensate drain is still good. It's clean. Yeah, so far everything's been good. Yeah, but that's pretty much for a PM. The way we do them, especially with it being in between spring and it's technically still winter time. It's March, but we'll be back probably sometime in June to clean the coils and then change the filters again. But like I said, brand new unit, Carrier, with that blue motor that they call. I've had a couple issues with them. Also the plastic fan blade on the condenser fan motor, but other than that, they're just getting more and more and more efficient. We're pretty much done here. Replaced the filter, checked with the store manager, see if he had any issues, and then just go around, just once over everything real quick and she's good to go. But now we've got another one that we got to go to.